वेलकम टू प्रिंस शॉर्टेड हाउस स्टूडेंट्स। जिन स्टूडेंट्स का 27 फेब को पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ में स्किल टेस्ट है, उनके लिए स्पेशल डिक्टेशन हम दे रहे हैं और कोशिश करेंगे हर दिन आपको 2 से 3 डिक्टेशन हम दें ताकि आप उनको बार बार लिख के ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकें। और हम ये डिक्टेशन अभी आपको दे रहे हैं 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट, बिकॉज 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट की डिक्टेशन आप लिखने की कैपेसिटी आप में होगी, तभी आप 80 वर्ड्स वाली डिक्टेशन को इजीली लिख सकेंगे और ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकेंगे। मिस्टेक आपकी कम से कम होती जाएंगी अगर आप 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट डिक्टेशन लिखेंगे। और टाइपिंग स्पीड आपकी बेस्ट चाहिए, जैसे मैं आपको पहले बताया कि +50 टाइपिंग आपकी रहेगी तो आपके चांसेस 100% ज्वाइनिंग के रहेंगे। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट लीगल। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। According to the supplementary report on record prepared by Lady Dr. Sakuntala, PW5, PW2 was aged about 17 years. During the cross-examination, PW5 has stated in para 9 of cross-examination that there could be a difference of 6 months both ways in the age of PW2. Thus, PW2 can be said to be aged 17 and a half years at the time of the occurrence. We find ourselves in agreement with the view of the trial court regarding the age of the prosecutrix. The High Court conjectured that the age of the prosecutrix could be even 19 years. This appears to have been done by adding 2 years to the age opined by PW5. There is no such rule, much less an absolute one, that 2 years have to be added to the age determined by a doctor. We are supported by a 3-judge bench decision of this court and State of Karnataka versus Bantara Sudhakara, whereas in this court at page 41 of the report stated as under. Additionally, merely because the doctor's evidence showed that the victims belong to the age group of 14 to 16 to conclude that the 2 years age has to be added to the upper age limit is without any foundation. Learned counsel for the respondent relied upon a decision of this court in the case of M. Ahmed versus State of Assam in support of his submission that the best evidence concerning the age of prosecutrix having been withheld, the finding of the High Court that the prosecutrix could be 19 years of age cannot be said to be erroneous. In the present case, the brother of the prosecutrix has been examined as PW1 and therefore it cannot be said that best evidence has been withheld. The decision of this court in M. Ahmed has no application at all. In our view, the High Court fell to grave error in observing that the prosecutrix could be even 19 years of age at the time of alleged occurrence. Be that as it may, in our view, Clause 6 of Section 375 IPC is not attracted since the prosecutrix has been found to be above 16 years, although below 18 years. In the facts of the case, what is crucial to be considered is whether Clause 1st or Clause 2nd of Section 375 IPC is attracted. The expressions against her will and without her consent may overlap sometimes, but surely the two expressions in clause first and clause second have different connotation and dimension. The expression against her will would ordinarily mean that the intercourse was done by a man with a woman despite her resistance and opposition. On the other hand, the expression without her consent would comprehend an act of reason accompanied by deliberation. The concept of consent in the context of section 375 has come up for consideration before this court on more than one occasion. Before we deal with some of these decisions, a reference to section 90 of the IPC may be relevant, which reads as under. Stop.